Hi, I'm Edwin de Ender. I'm the Vice President of Government and Public Sector in Huawei Enterprise Business Group, and I am based in Shenzhen, China, where our headquarters is. A smart city foundation is more like it's almost like a baseline or like a framework where you're building systems and services upon. For Huawei, it basically means that there are different components combined that work together and that create such a foundation. As an example, Safe City is a cornerstone of such a foundation, and smart parking and any other form of smart initiative or program is one of the building blocks that creates such a foundation and that carries the concept of a smart city.
What is the difference between the regular infrastructure and intelligent infrastructure?
So a regular infrastructure is a combination of pieces of technology with cable and wire, like let's say straightforward computing or local area networks. It has a router, it has a switch, maybe the edge has a bit of wireless, so you're using access points for those people who need connectivity but don't have access to a cable infrastructure. And it's pretty straightforward. It's about connecting a person with a computer or an IP telephone to an IP telephone system, or a computer to a computer server. Very straightforward. An intelligent infrastructure is an infrastructure that actually understands where people are, what they are using the infrastructure for, and what are the incidents or the the instances that such a network is being confronted with. As an example, if this would be an infrastructure in a smart city environment used for public safety, suppose there is a shopping mall that is on fire, then the majority of the fire department people, and perhaps also the law enforcement and police environments, are probably all going to check whatever is available on information in that specific area where the infrastructure touches such a shopping mall that's on fire, maybe CCTV cameras. So many different people from different authority levels will log on to that piece of the network. And that is putting a burden on the bandwidth or the available bandwidth of such a network. A straightforward or a mainstream infrastructure then needs to be configured to carry and handle such a request. An intelligent network will understand that there is an incident going on, there's a shopping mall on fire, and of course I need to add or need to assign more bandwidth and more network capacity to that area or that domain or sector of the network. That's a bit of a difference.
So if we need to do one smart city, what to do and what is first?
So that is a very good question, because everybody who works in government or everybody who works in the world of smart cities always think that we do a couple of projects and then it's fine. We do smart parking, we do connected lighting, we do a bit of water management maybe, or intelligent building. And if we do this, then we are very well on our way to be smart. I'd say maybe you're not. It starts with a vision and it starts with a long-term idea. Digital transformation is a program, if you like, and not so much a process. A program follows certain steps or certain stages. The first one that we think is the most important is to focus on safety. Digital safety, identity safety, but maybe also public or physical safety. Because if an area is not safe and secure, it actually doesn't make sense to do anything. Because people don't want to be there, they don't want to live there, because it's not safe in the first place. So intelligent lighting in an area that's not very safe is probably helping the criminal to move out, but not keeping the people in because it's a little too late. So the idea would be, step one, focus on first safe and then smart. After your safety environment and after the area is more safe, the next step would probably be to look into specific government services that you can digitalize and that you can easier put back or bring back to people who live in a certain area. That requires a third step, which is a back-end infrastructure that needs to be migrated, that needs to be integrated, and that needs to be combined. And then the fourth step would be to look in other industries that can benefit from the same investment for a different smart city program or any different smart city initiative.